Hello guys, it's Kelvin here once again. Welcome. Yeah, so I posted a video a few days ago, and a lot of people wanted me to break it down. Right, I play a simple groove in that particular video, in that particular song actually, and a lot of people actually liked it, and they actually want me to break it down. Alright, so the song is actually played on the key of C. Alright, so don't actually get confused. I actually tune down my guitar, right, by one half step. Sorry. Right, so yes, so let's try listening to the song, that part, right? So you get it. Yeah, so let me try breaking that part. So what I played here is, right, that's the first line, right? So I don't know if my bass is too much, so you get it. So fa la do, right, then la do so ti re, you get it. So I'm actually using a ghost note there, right? So it's actually making my groove sound more rhythmic and bouncy, right, and pulsy. You get it. So right, let me try bringing down the camera down so that maybe we can just see my hands very well. So yeah, sorry. Okay, so yeah, so that's the first line. So fa la do so ti re, you get it. So then I added, right, mi re, then ti la ti, let's let it back. So mi re, right, then ti la ti, you get it. You get it. You get it. So like I said earlier, the ghost note I'm using is actually what is making it sound that pulsy and percussive, right? So let's try hearing it again for us to confirm. Yeah, so let's go again. Yeah. So right, so that is actually what I play. Right, so fa la do so ti re, mi re, ti la ti. Let's let it back. So you get it. Yeah. Yeah, I think something like that. Right, so just easy to end that part. Yeah, so then I played the second line. Right, so what I play is do re, then so re mi. So I'm using that ghost note again. it so. I apologize for the noise outside. A lot of things is happening in this my area. So let's go back to the other one. Right, so I actually ran a review, last review that I started. Right, so sorry, you get it. So right, so right, so sorry, this is actually making crazy noise.